Hey guys, how you doing? I'm just going to do a quick unboxing here of the Eaglemoss magazine Battlestar Galactica VIPER Mark II. I've already opened it, so got a little surprise to show you. So as most people know, that when you buy these things, they usually have Starbucks name on the side, but not this one. This one is one of the Husker variants. It's only numbered out of 250, as you can see, so this is number 18 out of 250. There's a little information on there you can read. Let you know that there's only 250 and they say it'll never be repeated. So okay, that's pretty cool. Well, whether they do it or not, we'll see. So besides a certificate, which you only get it with these, is we also have the actual magazine, which is smaller than the original magazines, but I kind of like it. Easier to store, a little bit better. So let's take a look. So the one thing that I know about the limited edition one is that they're numbered to 250, and obviously it has the Husker, the William Adama Husker call sign on the side, and the tail number is different. So let's take that out there, and there we go. So take this out. Let's put it over there for a second. I want to see if everything in the back there's anything different. No, looks like the mount of the stand is pretty much exactly the same. So let's put this here. So there we go. As you can see, there's the different number. It's really a nice piece. They did a real nice job on them. I like the size. I'm a spaceship guy, so anytime I get any kind of different spaceship, that's always cool. So yeah, it's not going to be all that long. This is just a kind of a quick look at it. There we go. So it's a nice piece. But I don't know if anybody has one up there. I thought people would like to see the Husker variant. Thanks very much, and subscribe to my channel. This is the first time I've done something like this. I have some other stuff on there, but if you like it, hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye-bye.